true. Since it's an active military spaceport, there will always be that one.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lowell to Momence, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Momence and Hopkins Park around 4:10 p.m. Lake Village and Shelby around 4:15 p.m. Roselawn around 4:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Schneider, Thayer, and Sumava resorts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.